solve some MCQs from linear inequations which were asked in ICSE Board exam 2022 semester 1. So the first MCQ is, if x belongs to W, then the solution set of the inequation minus x greater than minus 7 is which of the following? So let's understand a couple of concepts that are given here. X belong to W means x is any whole number. Capital W represents whole numbers, and whole numbers are numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. So x has to be a whole number, so the solution has to be a whole number. Immediately I can see that option D are all negative numbers, so that cannot be the answer. Okay, fine. Now the inequation itself is minus x greater than minus 7. I want the inequation to be x is something, right? I don't want minus x. So I can either change the sign on both the sides, or I can multiply or divide with minus 1 so that I get x is something, right? Now in any of these cases, the rule when we apply this, that we change the sign on both the sides or we multiply or divide a negative number on both the sides, the sign of inequality will change. Here the sign of inequality initially was greater than. After changing, it will become less than. So x will be less than 7. Now I have to look at an option which suggests that x is less than 7 and x is a whole number. So x will start from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is not equal to 7. So it will be up to 6. 0 to 6. That is option number B. So B is correct. Next question. The solution set for the linear inequation minus 8 less than or equal to x minus 7 less than minus 4 x belong to I is which of the following? So whenever we have an inequation of this format, we have to split this into two separate inequations and then we will merge the solution. Okay, so first is minus 8 less than or equal to x minus 7. In the x minus 7, I want to get rid of minus 7. So let's add 7 on both the sides, or we can move the minus 7 to the left side. So we will have minus 8 plus 7, which is minus 1 less than equal to x. This is one part, we will keep it. Another part at the same time is x minus 7 is less than minus 4. Alright, so the minus 7 that we see, let's move it to the right side, or let's add by 7. So we'll have x less than 7 plus of minus 4, which is 7 minus 4, that is 3. So I have x is greater than or equal to minus 1 and x is less than 3. So if I combine both of these, x is greater than equal to minus 1 and also less than 3. This is the range of values that x can take. Next important thing is, what is the replacement set? That is this, x belong to I. X belongs to the set of integers. Capital I or capital Z denotes integers. So when we have integers, the solution set will be a set of integers. Now x, the smallest value can be minus 1 including minus 1. So minus 1, it can be 0, it can be 1, it can be 2. But it cannot be 3 because x is less than 3. It is not equal to 3. So this is my solution set, which is option number D. So option D is correct. Then the last MCQ. The solution set representing the following number line is. So here the number line is given to us. Looking at the number line, we have to tell which is the solution set that is represented by this number line. So we will see that there is a shading over here. So that means we have a range of numbers. It's not just integers or whole numbers. These are real numbers. Now the boundaries of the real numbers, it's at minus 3 and 2. Now there is a dark circle at minus 3 and a hollow circle at 2. So that means x can be equal to minus 3 also, but x can never be 2. never be equal to 2. So we will have a range of x which is greater than or equal to -3, but it is strictly less than 2. So if I look at all the options, this is the correct